Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install the Picasso app on Amazon Fire TV. Let's get started. Picasso is an app that lets you watch movies, web series, live TV, and sports, but this app is not available on the Amazon App Store. So we have to install it manually. Open your Fire TV home screen, go to Settings. Now open my Fire TV, click on Developer option. If you don't see Developer options, go to About, then select Fire TV and press the OK button 7 times. Now go back and open developer option and turn app from unknown source on. Now go back to the Fire TV home screen, open search, type downloader, download and install the downloader app. This app helps you download files directly on Fire TV. Open the downloader app, in the URL box, enter the latest Picasso APK link and click go. Wait for the file to download. Once the download is complete, click install. After installation, click done and delete the APK file to save storage. Now go to app and channels on Fire TV, scroll down and open Picasso, and that's it. Now you can enjoy movies and shows on your Fire TV. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.